Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, update controller firmware, and install the latest Xbox/PlayStation drivers so inputs are interpreted correctly. Next, plug the controller in via a high-quality USB cable. Wired beats Bluetooth for consistent low latency. Once connected, enable Windows Game Mode and quit overlays or heavy background apps. This frees CPU cycles for Fortnite. Also, choose a high-performance USB port. If your PC has USB 3.0, use that. These actions eliminate. Once done, open Fortnite and select controller input, then reduce the dead zone to the controller's real minimum so inputs register faster. You'll test small increments to avoid stick drift. Disable VSync and cap FPS above your monitor's refresh rate, and switch Fortnite to exclusive full screen for lower latency. Meanwhile, in Windows Power Options, pick High Performance and turn off USB Selective Suspend. This prevents ports from sleeping mid-game. Also, update GPU drivers. Reduced frame timing fluctuations cut perceived input lag. To finish, validate the change. Test the controller in another game or PC to isolate hardware issues. If your controller software allows, lower the polling interval for faster reports and reassign bindings to simpler inputs to rule out mapping conflicts. If you still see delay, reinstall controller drivers and reset Fortnite's config files so bad settings don't persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, try a different USB cable or port. Faulty cabling mimics latency and is often overlooked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.